风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. And once again, we're going to introduce you to the music of Huang Zixuan, who won Best Hakka Album this year at the Golden Melodies. Now, he does not deliberately emphasize cultural inheritance, but he does pass on this heritage through traditional music composition. His music is couched in Hakka traditional culture bestowed upon him by his ancestors, injecting new life into a centuries-old culture, like this song again called New Soul. So let's take a listen. Wow， 这首歌超有 R&B 还有灵魂感哦。的确，这首歌就叫做 New Soul， 也就是新的灵魂，对不对？这是黄子轩牛骚专辑里面的同名歌曲 New Soul， 也就是牛骚。而这次呢，也让他获得了最佳客语专辑奖。黄子轩呢，不刻意强调传承，希望从传统音乐创作中传递出自然底蕴，并从祖先赋予的客家血统摄取养分，让母语文化持续注入新的活水。这就是黄子轩多年来创作的目的。A little bit of folk, a little bit of R&B, and a lot of soul. Again, that's Huang Zixuan with New Soul. Congratulations on him winning. And that's it for today's Hakka song. I'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.